The all-new 2026 Nissan NV350 Caravan comes ready to dominate the roads with a bold combination of power and efficiency. Under the hood, it features a 2.5-liter inline-4 engine, optimized for both performance and fuel economy, delivering around 170 horsepower and 360 newton-meters of torque. For commercial users or families planning big trips, this van offers impressive pulling strength and smooth acceleration, even when fully loaded. But here's the exciting part: Nissan is also rolling out a mild hybrid version, giving you better fuel economy, lower emissions, and a quieter drive. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, the rear-wheel drive setup ensures a stable, confident ride. And with Nissan's latest Xtronic CVT transmission, you can expect smooth gear changes and lower running costs. Step inside the 2026 NV350 Caravan and you'll immediately feel like you're in a modern mobile lounge. Nissan has designed the interior with both comfort and practicality in mind. Whether you're using it as a work van or a family adventure vehicle, the cabin is loaded with smart solutions. The new model features redesigned seats with improved cushioning, a fully digital 8-inch infotainment system, and support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You'll also find multiple USB-C charging ports, foldable rear seats for flexible cargo space, and even dual-zone climate control to keep all passengers comfortable. Want to convert it into a camper? The flat flooring, wide sliding doors, and ample overhead storage make it perfect for van life customization. Now we're in the present. Now for the big question: when can you get your hands on it? Nissan has confirmed that the 2026 NV350 Caravan will hit select markets in early 2026, with availability expanding throughout the year. As for the price, the base model is expected to start around $32,000 USDs, while higher trims with hybrid options and advanced features may go up to $40,000 or more. Given its versatility, low maintenance, and long-standing reliability, the NV350 continues to be a smart investment for both businesses and personal use. With its mix of rugged utility, smart technology, and sleek design, the 2026 Nissan NV350 Caravan is more than just a van. It's a lifestyle solution. Whether you're hauling tools or heading into the wild, this van is built to adapt, perform, and impress. Would you take this beast for a road trip or convert it into a camper? Let us know in the comments.